Hey guys, it's Natasha and welcome back to my channel. We are in my room. You know why? Because today we are tackling my desk area. We are setting up the desk, we're cleaning it, we're organizing it. When I moved in, I kind of just threw things on there and you know, it's kind of messy. There's no order. So that is what we're doing today. I got my whiteboard. I have this space right here. I think I'm gonna put my whiteboard over here, maybe my calendar up here. I don't have a system going on here. Back home I had a system on my desk. First, I'm just going to take everything off, take everything out of the drawers, and then we're gonna give it a good wipe down, make sure it's nice and clean. I brought my Clorox wipes, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we'll do the decorating, the organizing, and all that cute stuff. Okay, I'm just going to literally just throw this on my bed. Okay, I just cleared everything out. Love the desk, right? The desk is cute, the desk is aesthetically pleasing. It's wonderful. The drawers though, can we talk about how short, what is this called? Short, and the depth, not really there. But you know what? You work with what you have. So I took everything out. There's literally so much trash in here. Threw it all on my bed. Bed is looking crazy. As I put things back, I will throw out the trash because of course I'm not gonna re-put trash inside. But now I'm gonna put y'all down. Clean this desk, make sure it's nice and clean. I feel like starting the semester with like a nice, clean, organized space kind of sets the tone for the rest of the semester. We did start with a little bit of ruckus. We did start with a little bit of a mess, but school's crazy and I had to study for my organic chemistry test. I already had two. Isn't that crazy? It's only not even 1 month into school and I had 2 organic chemistry tests. They're out here to kill. That's what they're doing. But one thing that I love to do is starting with like a clean desk in the morning. To start the new day, we're gonna do great and fantastic things. We're gonna read all the textbooks, we're gonna do all the homework in the nice, beautiful space. So I'm like, you know what? It's time for me to set up my desk. I loved the setup that I had back home, but now I'm gonna do a setup here. So cleaned one drawer. You can't even see what I'm doing, babes. Drawers over here. Cleaning the other one, making sure all the dust is gone, and I wiped down the top. If you guys have seen my videos at home before this, if you're new, hello and welcome, basically. But if you've seen my study with me videos, you've seen my room before, you know I love whiteboards. I have a really big one at home. Here at school, I have a smaller one because literally where am I gonna put that big whiteboard? But I'm thinking that I wanna put it right there. First of all, let's wipe this one down. Oh, anatomy. Human anatomy residue, you know, earlobe, me, external, cochlear, you know, all that stuff. Human anatomy, damn. I'm just gonna clean this. I have my calendar. So I'm thinking, do I wanna put both of them on here? Because when I do my homework, my calendar is kind of in the way. It's kind of, you know, all up in my space. So do I do the whiteboard up here? Like so. I know you can't answer because, you know, like I'm making the decision. We don't, I'm just thinking out loud. Whiteboard down up here, this down there. Right? Yeah, that's what we're thinking. Also, it's literally the Sahara Desert in here. It is hotter than hot. I am sweating. Okay, so I got these long command strips. I think these are from like Costco. They hold about 16 pounds. Ta-da! Separate. Click. Peel. Stick. Ooh, look! Separate. Click. Peel and stick. Separate, click, peel, stick. I'm here, right? So the board, we want it like that. This is the moment of truth. I'm going to peel all of them. And now I realize that I put it backwards. I'm gonna put this calendar up here. I got this calendar from Amazon, and whoever spelled the word January should have used autocorrect. After a quick fan break later, like literally I'm sweating. So if you see me sweating in this video, it's because I am. It's because it's 1,000,000 degrees in this room and we don't have AC in this house because it's Hawaii. And it's just not a thing. Okay, next thing. Now I have to manage to put this in here in an organized way. First, let's start with my markers. I brought, oops, it all fell out. I brought my little market holder, what is this called? Pencil holder from home. And then I have like all my markers over here. Okay, got my markers. got my little toolbox. I'm just gonna grab a random piece of paper, and like I do periodically, I just check if all my markers are working, because if not, why keep them in the box? This black pen, out. My thing has 2 compartments. I'm just now getting picky. I'm gonna put all my whiteboard markers on one side and then all my regular stuff on the other side. Organized. Next, I'm tackling the drawers. These drawers are short, like I said, they're not very deep. So I'm gonna put all my notebooks sort of stuff. I only have like 3. This one. Oh, it doesn't even fit this way. Okay. Let's fit it all like that. I got more notebooks here. If you guys literally have heard me talk about these a million times, I'm totally obsessed with these notebooks. I just ordered some more because they're so great and fantastic. 2 big binders here. I'll do all the notebooks here so it can close. These were already here, so I'm gonna put my little index cards, maybe put this over here. Mouse pad, mouse. Last few things are like miscellaneous kind of things, just like these things over there. Car keys, always just leave them here because it's like right next to my door. Little Instagram clicker. I'm gonna like orderly put this away, even though a lot of this stuff has like no home. And just like that, a bucket of sweat later, some hard work, and my desk is nice and clean. Now let me give you a little, so here's a little desk tour, even though you can literally see everything that's on it. So we got the whiteboard, the calendar. Here I can just like remove it and rip it off. And this is like you saw on it with a command strip, so I can just like take this off, put a new calendar on top onto my desk. Because it's small, I don't like having a lot of things. If you see my other desk was really big, so I had a lot of things in like the back and still had a lot of space to work. But because this one's kind of small, not very deep, I keep it very minimal. I have a thing of index cards here, so when I'm studying for like anything like organic chemistry, human anatomy, that's in here. Got my whiteboard markers and my pens and pencils here, so if I want to use my whiteboard, my markers are right here, easy to access. Over here I put like my laptop charger and my phone charger, and it's just like not a lot of cords on the floor or just like on the table, so it's nice and organized. Got my laptop, little mouse that I connect here when I'm doing a lot of editing. And then moving on to the desk, like the drawers, like I said, it's not very deep and it's not like, it doesn't go very far back, so I can like barely fit anything. So I have like my notebooks and stuff, pencil holder, my hard drives and binder clips, and then here I just have like my everyday notebooks that I'm obsessed with, eraser for my whiteboard up there, and then any like chargers, clickers, and my car keys. And at the bottom, just in case you're curious, just a trash can, my big cord that makes sure that these things are charging, and just like a real random box. Thank you for joining me in my little desk organization moment. This was long overdue. I should have done this literally when I moved in, and I can't believe it's been like almost a month since I moved in, and this was literally one of the last things that I did. But now that it's organized, we can have a nice clean space, nice clear mind when we're studying, when we're doing our schoolwork. We do most of it here, sometimes at the library, because I am back on campus, if you guys didn't know, which is like very, very useful because there's a lot of books at the library that I didn't have before when I was like completely online. So part-time I'm here in my room, part-time in the library. Nice having a setup to myself, nice having everything like what I need in the place that it should be. So that being said, thank you for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on any video you guys want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at natasha.rathern. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok at Natasha's Closet. We're popping, we're back. Outfits coming back every single day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.